Hi, it's Lynette here. Thank you for joining me. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, and that way you're notified every time I upload a video. I'm really bad for doing that, and also if you give me a thumbs up, really helps the algorithm. That's apparently what they say anyway, but it helps me, so thank you. I appreciate it all. I wanted to do a review on a mascara that I think I got sent in a friend mail. It might have been from Bryony, it might not have been, but I'm sure it was sent in a friend mail. It's the Technic Mega Lash, and if you did send it to me and I've kind of said it was Bryony and it wasn't, please let me know. I kind of did go through a point where I was writing down who was sending what, and then I lost the notepad. So yeah. Anyway, I wanted to do a little review on this Technic Mega Lash Mascara. So because my memory is shocking, I didn't write many points on this actually. Did I write down anything? I've got my notepad here. I have my notepad. I have really bad kind of brain fog. If you kind of follow my channel, you might notice that I sometimes forget what I'm about to say. I can't edit, I'm rubbish at editing, don't have the time to edit, and I'd actually probably make it look awful. But yeah, so I'm kind of perimenopausal. I have fibromyalgia and I also have ADHD, which I've never spoken about before, but so all three of those contribute to taking a lot of heavy drugs. Prescribed, I get really bad brain fog. So I'm actually sitting here wondering why I'm talking to you about my brain fog. That's why I had to write it down. I'm sure that's where I was going with the whole brain fog thing. Anyway, it says on the website that it is ultra black, hard wearing, it has a mega wand, and on Amazon it gets 4.5 stars. So I went in and had a wee look. So you can find it kind of from between £2 to £2.50. However, Boohoo had it for £4. It's worth £4 if you want to pay that, if you get free postage and packaging, or whatever. But yeah, so it's about £2 to £2.50 usually. So it's my all-time favourite waterproof mascara. So I would highly, highly recommend this, right? So I was going to come on, so my friend Julia B does amazing mascara videos and foundation videos and reviews, and she'll do a wear test. You know, she'll put it on and then she'll show you how it gets on during the day. However, I kind of struggle to show you my eyelashes at the best of times. I did a couple of mascara reviews where I tried to compare them, and I just thought, you know what, it is kind of really hard. I don't know how she makes it look so good, because I struggle. I thought I'm just going to come on and tell you about it. This is the one mascara. So I've tried, you name it, I've tried the waterproof mascara, the Too Faced Better Than Sex one, didn't really like that. The wand was big. The Bourjois one was one of my favourites. The L'Oreal one was quite good, but those prices are kind of a wee bit higher as well. Some of the real high-end stuff, the transfer is awful. So when I say transfer onto my eyelids, I mean that during some point in the day, despite being waterproof, it will melt and it will end up transferred up here. Doesn't matter how much I've paid for it, that always seems to happen, right? So it's why sometimes if I'm not going outside and I've just got work calls, I'll just wear a regular mascara. So I have really watery eyes, I have allergies, and if there's a little bit of wind, then my eyes will just start watering. So that's why I need the waterproof mascara for outside. And this lovely little cheap product is the only one that I have found through all my years of wearing waterproof mascara that doesn't transfer, that doesn't melt onto my eyelids. I love it. And for £2, £2.50, if you're looking for, I remember Joe Smith asked me a while ago if I had one that I could recommend, and I said, oh, they're all a bit, you know, there's nothing that I would really say was my absolute favourite. There's some that I would try. I tried the Essence Lash Princess, because that's got good reviews. Again, the waterproof one, there was transfer on the eyes. But this, if you're looking for a waterproof mascara that will not transfer onto your eyelids, so if you wear waterproof mascara, please tell me below that you know what I'm talking about. Although if your eyes water, it doesn't, you know, your mascara doesn't run down your face. But if you get hot, and I don't have really long lashes, but if you get hot, it ends up here. And then I'm sitting and you can see people looking and I think, I bet I've got mascara on my eyelids again. And I'll go and I'll check and I've got mascara on my eyelids again. But I've never once had this. I've been using this for about 2-3 weeks now. I put it into my Project Pan. No, I didn't. I put it into my Shop Moustache. It had been sitting in my drawer of mascaras and I'd never tried it. And I just thought, oh, do you know what? I'll bring this out and I'll try it. But honestly, it will definitely be getting repurchased. And as a mascara, it's a great mascara as well, regardless of, you know, whether it's waterproof or not. It's a really good mascara. I love the fact as well that they always put them in these kind of bluey greeny kind of containers, so people like me, kind of who's probably needs to go and get glasses now, can just tell at a glance that it's a waterproof version. It does have a big wand, however, I get on better with this than I did the Too Faced one, which was a big wand. Was not impressed with the Too Faced one. I think that cost me about £19. But this is brilliant. Really enjoyed using it. It goes on really well. You can build it as well. And I put it on top of a product that Lynn sent me, which is a Maybelline one, which I'll do a review of. Which is like a lash fibre, but like probably much better than any lash fibres than I've used in the past. But this doesn't flake at all. I rub my eyes constantly. As I say, I have allergies, so you know, by the end of the day, my eyes are rubbed to bits usually, and all the mascara is like rubbed off. It comes off okay, actually. Maybe it takes a bit more product than usual to take it off, but I don't have any problems taking this one off. Sometimes what would happen with waterproof mascaras, I always double cleanse. I double cleanse, I'll go into the shower, sometimes I'll exfoliate, I'll cleanse again in the shower sometimes, and I'd come out and I'd have black rings under here of waterproof mascara, and once that gets onto your skin, it's not easy to get it off. And the last place you want to be rubbing is under here of your eyes, right? You don't want to, that's why you use these fingers. I'm not being rude. That's why you use these fingers when you're putting on your eye cream, because they apply the least pressure. So the last thing you want to be doing is scrubbing at your eyes with anything. This comes off absolutely fantastically. So if you're looking for a waterproof mascara that beats any other that I've tried so far, hands down, and the price is just a bargain, definitely will be repurchasing this, and this will probably be a staple for me now, especially when I have to return to the office. And I filmed a few videos today because I was feeling really kind of crappy. Didn't get dressed or anything, so today I've kind of put my makeup on, got dressed, and I thought, do you know what, Steve's gone to the gym after work, so I'm going to use a wee bit of time after work before he's home to film, because normally he'll come in, he'll put the TV on, quite rightly so, he's home from work, and he's wanting to go out for a cigarette or coffee or whatever it is. So I thought I'll use this time while he's at the gym to film this. But yep, highly recommend it. It is my new favourite mascara, regardless, you know, it's my new favourite waterproof mascara. It's my all-time favourite waterproof mascara, but it's my new favourite mascara. So I hope you enjoyed this. And the channel that I mentioned today, I think I mentioned Lynn, Bryony and Julia B. Please go and check out their channels. I will link the descriptions below, and if I don't, I'm sure they'll be in my comments somewhere, but I'll try and remember to link them. Thanks for watching. I'll speak to you soon, guys. Bye bye.